行，那简直是太棒了。所以下面这个节目马上要登场的两位，他们即将创造一个新的流行，展开一个新的合作。我们要欢迎周深、吴牧野带来《Golden Hour》。
Sitting in the car, listening bar, falling for each other. Thinking in the sky, feeling super shy, things down the glover. This girl from my mother. Like where you're at tonight, got no alibi. I was all alone, waiting love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beauty that night. I don't need a lie to see. We were just two lovers, feet up on a deck, driving nowhere fast, burning through a summer. Reading all the last, made a moment last, she was all power. Made us feel like our. She knew she would have been scared, even made you falling like a deer. For the love of my life, she got blood on her face, no glorious look in her eyes. My angel of light, I was all alone. The love of my life, she got glitter for skin, my radiant beaming at night. I don't need a lie to see
谢谢两位精彩的合作，带给我们的这个 Golden Hour， 感谢周深，感谢吴牧野。那我们要请两位留步来到我们的采访区，跟大家好好打个招呼。还有周深，谢谢。对，那边这边，对。当然也特别开心，两位能够来到我们的抖音美好奇妙夜。是，
这是怎样的梦幻联动啊？
是的，
没错。
听到音乐当中的这些碰撞、这些交融，然后带给我们美的享受。一会儿也要来听听看，两位对于今天晚上来到奇妙美好奇妙夜是一种什么样的感觉？来欢迎，
来欢迎两位。